Our next concept is digital forensic science. Digital forensic science. Digital forensic is the application of analysis techniques to the reliable and unbiased collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of digital evidences. Okay, collection of data, analysis of data, and provide the interpretations and presentation of digital evidences. Okay. There are number of varying of definitions. There are various definitions are there for digital forensics. One of the definition, digital forensics sometimes using the computer forensics also. What is computer forensics? Already we are discussing the previous class. What is computer forensics? Again we are discussing. Computer forensics is to related the use of analytical and investigative techniques to identify, collect, examine, and preserve evidences. Preserve evidences is also called information. Okay, which is magnetically stored. Magnetically means disks కానివ్వండి, హార్డ్ డిస్క్స్ కానివ్వండి, పెన్ డ్రైవ్స్ కానివ్వండి. ఓకే, అండ్ encoded, secure, for providing the security. Okay, now again another definition of the computer forensic. It is the lawful and ethical seizure and acquisition, analysis, reporting, and safeguarding of data and metadata derived from digital devices which may contain information that is notable and perhaps of evidentiary value to the factor in managerial, administrative, civil, and criminal investigations. Okay, it is simply called as it is the collection of techniques and tools used to find the evidences in a computer. It is simply called it is the collection of techniques and tools used to find evidences in a computer. Okay, already we are discussing ethical seizure. Ethical seizure means whatever the information you have got on that time, like any pen drive is gathered, that must be seized. When the case was running, environmental changes will be occurred, the data will be stored. Okay, acquisition, data retrieving, analysis, whatever you are retrieving the data will be analysis and generate the reports. Okay, and providing the safeguarding, that means security of data, and also safeguarding of data and metadata derived from the digital devices. Metadata means data about data. All the data will be stored. Okay, next one, digital forensics. Digital forensics, it is the use of scientifically derived and proven methods towards the preservation, collection, validation, identification, analysis, interpretation, documentation, and presentation of digital evidences. What is the digital forensics? It is the use of scientifically derived and proven methods toward the preservation means storing. Okay, collection, data, different techniques and tools we are using for collecting the data. Okay, next, validations. The crime scene will support those data or not. Okay, validation, the testing the data. Okay, identification, the data, whatever the data will be tested, the relevant crimes in data will be identified, the data will be analysis, then interpretation, then documentation. The documentation will present it to the court in the digital source. We must store the data, we must protect the data from the unauthorized actions. Okay, that is the most important because it is the digital evidences. Okay, some digital forensics roles, how the data will be recovered. Okay, it is difficult to provide the definition of digital evidences because the evidence is recovered from devices that are not traditional techniques, because computer forensics will follow the statistical approach, but digital forensics will not follow the statistical approach. The digital evidences collection, we are using the different techniques and tools for the collecting the data. Okay, some of the roles of the digital forensics: uncover the document evidences. Next one, assist showing the pattern events, connect attacks in the victim computers, reveal the end-to-end path of events leading to the compromise attempts, successful or not. Okay, there are different things will be involved into the forensics. Some of the typical scenarios involved: employees internet abuse. Employees internet abuse means the in the organization the employee open to the PCs, Facebook chattings, web browsing, those are comes under to the organization's effects. The organization will lose the data also, the servers also affecting the data. And data leak or data breach, that means unauthorized disclosures or corporate informations and data. Okay, accidentally the data will be leaked. Industrial, that means spying activities. Spying activities means someone viewed your actions. Okay, next one, damage assessments. Now fifth one, criminal frauds. Next, sixth one, criminal cases and copyright violations. Okay, these are the typically involved. This is the basic diagram. Hard disk, how the data will be stored. We are thinking only the data will be stored and the deleted data will be automatically destroyed, but actually that is not possible. The deleted data will also be recovered. How the data will be stored on the hard disks? Okay, here history of files, and how many files are will be stored, that will be allocated into the stacks, or okay, unallocated space, how much of space will be allocated, how much space is unallocated, that will be also maintained. And file stacks, fat information, hidden files, formatted files and file systems on disks, temporary files, data clusters, all are stored onto the internally. When the forensic department want to recover the data, these things also be under considered. Okay, this is the concept.